Hey YouTube, so I got a double unboxing today. Picked a couple of things up from EU dealers, so I'll be unboxing those in a minute. But first I've got a special guest who wanted to make an appearance today on the video and give me a hand. I'm not going to say who it is, I'll leave that to her. She's got something to show you as well. So
it's me, Olivia, here, and I've got a unicorn coin that my dad got me for Christmas, and I really like it because it's a unicorn.
Wow.
With a shield.
Ooh, and what's it made of?
It's made of silver.
Wow. And do you like unicorns?
Yeah.
And what's on the other side of the coin?
The queen.
The queen is on the other side, yeah. So that's your coin, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Your first coin. Are you going to get any more coins?
Yeah.
What type of coins do you want?
I want another unicorn. I want the same one.
The same one?
But in gold.
In gold?
Yeah.
The same one in gold?
Yeah.
God, you're like crazy. You think I'm buying gold?
Yeah.
Gold costs a lot of money.
Yeah, but...
Costs a lot more money than this one. Maybe I'll get you some gold one day. We'll get a gold unicorn, maybe.
Okay.
If you're good. You give me all your pocket money and I'll buy you a gold unicorn, yeah?
I love it.
Yeah, all your Christmas money, your birthday money.
But Dad, you got some money.
Right, so what else is it you wanted to show the people as well? To see if the silver's real?
Yes.
What did we use?
The slider.
The slider? Well, hold on, mate. Let me move this box out of the way first, sweetheart. So, we've got the slider.
Yep.
Put that there for a second.
So,
Hold on, wait, put it where we can see it.
I'm going to
So,
slide.
no, we're not going to slide that one, are we? Why are we not going to slide that one?
Because, we don't want this one to get room, so we're going to use my
So
dad.
this one's in the capsule, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, when it goes down, it'll just
Go straight
down. And we've got this coin, haven't we? And that's what we found, that
A
one.
real one.
But that's not silver, is it?
No.
So what happens
Okay.
to that one? That goes down the
So,
slide.
I'll show you the real coin. And now, I'm going to do the...
That one goes down, so that's not got silver in it, has it?
No.
Why hasn't it got silver? You have to show them with that coin.
This
Put that
one
one.
is going slower.
You've got some more there.
And this one is going slower. And this one. And then this one. Dad, leave them.
Because it needs to go off the end.
And then like that. So this one haven't got silver in it.
Yes.
But these three has got silver in.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright.
Right, should we clear this away and then we get on with the unboxing? So you're going to help me unbox it?
Yep.
Okay, so we'll stick it on pause and we'll start it again.
Okay.
Was from EMK in Germany. So do you want to cut that? Can you cut it and do it with these ones? You might need these big ones, sweetheart.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Still might need the big ones. Careful, we know how to be careful with scissors, don't we? Stick them further down. Further down there. There. Ready? Ready? Ooh, a little help.
Okay.
So what about this one?
Oh yeah.
Got another one here. Got to come around the side a bit. Open up the scissors a little bit. Got the scissors upside down, sweetheart. There. Push them all the way as far in as we can get them. That's it. Yay!
Okay.
Right, so take those off, hey?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So
Shall we cut this off?
we don't. I don't think we.
Okay, so
We
I'll
might have to. We might have to do it a little bit.
just rip it, though. Dad, just rip it.
Go on then. Go on then. Just rip it. What do you think it's a Christmas present?
Huh?
Christmas present, yeah? For Daddy, a late Christmas present. Oh, kicked this thing. Should I help?
Dad, this is just a weird box. You know?
Oh, and inside we've got a box as well. So
Just weird.
we said it was from EMK, didn't we? So we need to just do a little thing down here. But we might use the small ones now. Just kind of like put it in there. Let Daddy do this bit. This bit's tricky sometimes.
Okay.
Because I would generally use a knife, but you can't really use a knife with you, can we? With Daddy's knife. Right, so
Let's
we have to
open it.
take the top off. Alright, take the top off and get it off.
Yep, okay.
There.
Whoa!
So we got a few
necklaces,
magazines there.
I love these things.
Oh, look, your favourite. What are they? Peanuts.
Peanuts.
So get that one out. So put that one there.
Oh, this was gummy.
Wow, what was that? So that's it in that box, I think. So put the lid back on. You don't want peanuts going everywhere right now while we're doing the video, do we? No.
Ah, there's a peanut.
Oh, so there's always one peanut that escapes. So yeah, bit of merchandise from the EMK. And
shall we open the small?
Wait a second, because I always try to keep the bubble paper so I can pack other things with it, don't I?
Yeah.
Recycle it.
Yeah.
Send it off.
So I'm going to open this.
So we're going to open this one. Whoa. And I'll probably go through these later, what they actually are. Okay. So this is a 1 ounce silver coin. It's in a little wrapper here. In a nice little box. A dragon. Yeah?
Yeah.
So put that there for a second, and then we'll open this one.
Okay.
Let me just cut the...
Yeah, and then I'll actually do it.
Yeah, and then you can unthing it. That's probably the quickest way, isn't it? I do that bit, and then you do the unravelling. Yeah. Right.
Okay.
That should be okay, that one.
Whoa.
So, the next one are both the actual same. There's a little bit of tape there as well. 1 second, sweetheart.
Okay. Just to make it extra
there we go.
perfect.
So these two are both the actual same, because I always pick up 2 of these. One for my dragon collection and one for the actual set of these. So shall we have a look at this one then? Yeah. Let me just wait a second. Let me get it out of the box, and then you can do the little thing. Hold on, wait a second, because what we need to do is we need to zoom in a little bit.
Okay, so
guys, people can see what it is.
We are going to open this now.
Okay.
Whoa, guys, look at this. It's really tiny.
Yeah, it is really tiny, isn't it?
Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like.
It's from Canada.
Yep, Canada.
And we might have to zoom in a bit, hey, to see
what
it is. What do you think it is?
It's a dragon.
It is a dragon. You're right. It is a dragon.
I can see its pointy teeth.
Yeah, it's a dragon. And look at a good show of the coin.
Its scales.
You see its scales as well.
Yeah.
And guess what's on the other side? This one's from Canada. From Canada, all the way from Canada.
Yeah.
But guess what's on the other side as well?
King.
The Queen. The Queen. The Queen.
Yeah, we didn't have a crown.
So the other one is exactly the same.
Okay.
Right?
This one's exactly the same.
This one's exactly the same coin.
Yeah.
So no need to show the coin again.
This one.
I'll do it later. I'll do a review on these later. Just doing a quick unboxing with my daughter today. No, wait. I know. But sometimes you've got to be very careful with these ones.
Why?
Because I want to keep it in as nice a condition as possible. Do you get me?
Right. Yeah, I do get you. Looks shiny as well.
Yeah, hold on, wait a second. We just see how this one opens.
Where's that one from then?
Oh no, it's got like a magnetic thing there on the side. So we've took the outside wrapping off this one.
Yep, but we don't have to get actually.
And it has kind of a magnetic little thing. So quite a nice little different packaging than the usual boxes, isn't it? Flat one. So if I pop it up a little bit for you, because it's a bit. Oh, there you go. Let's see. Feel it. It's like a magnet. Can you feel? Oh, yes, there we go.
That's also a dragon, but it's coloured.
Yeah. This one's coloured in. So should we zoom in on this one as well?
This is like a badge.
No, I think that's a little tab to pull it out, sweetheart. So yeah, so there we go. So you want to tip it up? We'll show this one.
Tip it up?
Yeah, just like... We can look a bit closer.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you can't see the design and stuff as well, but look at that. It is a dragon. So look, what we can do is, I think, you get that, and then
looks like a tongue.
It helps you to pull it out.
Yeah, it's from that.
So there we go.
So there we go. I guess it's.
There it is.
Oh no.
This one, and so I'll be going through these ones at some stage again. And guess what?
What?
Guess who's on the back of this coin as well? And this is from another different country.
Queen.
The Queen again. So this one is from Tuvalu. A different, and the Queen's on it as well. Wow. That's about the Commonwealth. Okay. You'll be learning about that at school.
So guys, the next box, which you cannot use knives, because it's very delicate.
So I'll be going through all these in more detail later. Hold on.
Okay, so we just want to say something about these. So, I'm going to ask my dad a question. Why do you have 2 coins?
Why do I have 2 coins? The same. Because one is for my dragon collection, which I collect dragons. Yes. So this is actually a series of coins. I think the last... Oh, careful with the camera. And the last one wasn't a dragon, so this is like the 3rd one in the series. So I always get 2, one for the dragon collection, one for the actual series, and they're like 1/4 ounce silver and not that expensive really. Pretty good.
Okay, next one.
So yeah, so the second unboxing came both on the same day from, people will know with the red tape where it's from Belgium, goldsilver.b. So I'm going to cut this one open with my knife, because not really
that scared me to death.
Good for you to use this knife.
That just scared me, Dad.
Listen, stop kicking the tripod.
Okay.
I do it as well, so you're alright. Sometimes I do it. Sometimes I can't even open the boxes myself. But yeah, I usually open these boxes upside down. And I said I wasn't going to do any more unboxings in 2018, but making an exception for my daughter. Good, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh, I can't get this one open, sweetheart.
For which try?
No, it's alright. I'll get in there eventually. I'll get in there eventually, don't you worry. It just has got extra stickers on.
Dad, can I go on the computer?
I can't go on the computer now. We'll be done in a second, don't you worry.
Could I was connected to the game?
Huh?
I was connected to the game as well, though.
Alright, you can connect again to the game, don't worry.
I know.
So
I
we'll
can
just close that. So yeah,
okay,
so we're going to take this bit out. Don't want that.
So you don't see our dress?
Yep, so I'm going to open this one up. And they package these rather well, these guys. So, because I opened it upside down, all the peanuts should be at the top. So that's a good reason why to open it. We opened it upside down, because otherwise you'd be digging through the peanuts.
What the heck? Why is there paper?
Just extra bubble wrap. So we've got one bit there, and what we've got here.
Another one.
So put that over there, and we can get rid of the box out of the way.
Oh, I can't even pick it up.
There you go.
Yeah?
Is it heavy, that one?
Yeah, you have another box.
Is it heavy, that one, is it?
Yeah, you have another box. Play with peanuts.
Yeah, well, play with peanuts. You can play with peanuts later.
Yeah, for my dolls.
Yeah, so got 2 pickups from goldsilver.b.
This was going to be a bit lots of wrapping, guys. Wait, maybe. Can you get in there? There's just lots of wrapping paper, you see. Alright.
Put it down here.
So.
You open that envelope. Can you do it or not? You need some help? So do it, yeah. Just rip that one in.
Okay.
So
we have got a coin.
You've got to show it in the here. Hold it. Yeah,
okay,
that's it.
So we got a coins, and then we got 2 other coins. This one has a koala on.
Oh, there's a koala. Wow.
A koala.
How do you know it's got a koala? What about this one as well? It's got a different koala.
Has a different koala. And then this one is the same one as the other one.
Yeah.
That's really cute.
So 2 of those, and leave that there. And
no,
just leave it in there for now. because it'll stop them moving around. So it's good that they're like this for Daddy to store them. So we can still show the coin. Look, we can still show it.
Yeah, Dad.
So that's a 2018 koala, and this one you can take it out of that little wrapper. Yes,
I'll
just
take
one.
out.
You just need to take one out, sweetheart. Just need to take one to show it. So there you go. You're going to show this one. Let me zoom in a little bit for you.
Okay, so here's the next one.
Yeah, so that's the 2017 koala from last year, and this is the new 2018 design. Just hold that. Just there we go. Picked up some of those, so I'll talk about these all a little bit later once we've done the unboxing. Yeah? Let's move this bit of paper out of the way. Let's unravel this one then.
Oh my god, this will take forever.
No, be careful, it might fall out.
You know,
Bring it back down this way a little bit.
bring it over there, but
It's in the middle. You have to put your hand in and get it out.
no.
Oh dear, this is the fun, isn't it?
Ah, it's heavy. Wait, one has a
D.
D.
So that's heavy, isn't it? Look, check that out.
D, check this out.
What's in there?
No
Don't
coins.
know what's in there.
Cool.
Sealed up, sweetheart. It says D.
D. D coins. D coil.
So there's some coins in there.
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
Yeah.
Well, let's have a look then.
Dad, I can do it. I've got small fingers.
It's alright, I've done it now.
Won't you? It's still some writing. Just a little bit. Okay. I don't know how to open
Yeah,
this
it's a
thing.
bit tough to open them.
Oh yeah. Have you got
right.
one of these before?
Yeah, so I've got to leave that there. Hold on.
Why don't you just tip it out?
Well, because I don't want to take them out right now.
Oh, look, more phones.
So, look what we've got. A tube of what? Look. So I picked up a tube. I need that to put it in here, sweetheart. Stop them moving.
But Dad, what about this?
I'll take them all out later.
Okay, Dad,
When I've
do you
got
need
more
these
time to
coins?
do a better video on the coins.
Do you need these? Do you need
Look pretty good. Yes, I need those because look, this thing's too high. So what it does is it stops these coins from moving about in there, you see. So it stops them.
Yeah.
When you've got that one like that, they don't rattle, otherwise they'd move down, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
26 ounces picked up as well, dragons. So I'll go into the coins in a bit more detail and whatever the reasons behind buying them and stuff. And nice to do a video with my daughter. So which is your favourite coin out of all of these coins that we got? Which was your favourite
What?
one?
Oh yeah, I've got some my one.
Which one was yours? Well, it's okay. Which one was your favourite? Did you like the dragon coins?
No.
You didn't like the dragon coins?
No.
See,
My coins.
see, I like dragons. I like dragons.
I like unicorns.
You like unicorns, and that's okay.
I also like the koala one.
Because that's the good thing about if you collect coins or something,
Because,
you can choose what you want to collect, can't you?
but as well, everyone doesn't have to like everything that other people like.
That's right, sweetheart. You're a clever girl. You teach me so many things, and that's it. You don't have to buy what everyone else buys or thing. You buy what you like.
So heavy.
Yeah, because that's because there's 10, you know, like your coin.
Yeah.
Where is your coin? Over by the computer. But that's okay. You know how your coin is? It's the same as your coin, but a different design. It's the dragon design. 10 coins in there. 10 coins. Yeah, 10 coins.
Oh,
Like your one,
boy.
but it's the dragon one that Daddy likes.
That's
10.
right, Fabi.
Big pile. So maybe we'll do that later. We'll do that and we'll take them all out and have a look at them all. But Daddy will have to get his gloves on to do it.
Okay.
And we'll see what they're like from the raw mint. The first one looked pretty good. Better than all my other dragons that I've picked up. So, you know, so far so good. Anyhow,
Bye.
what I'll do is I say thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And see you all later. Got to subscribe because of the new YouTube rules. I don't have 1,000 subscribers, so you know I need to get 1,000
Try and
subscribers.
1 billion.
1 billion.
Try and hit 1 billion.
Try and hit 1 million.
Yeah.
1 million
or
subscribers.
2,000.
I think you'd get more subscribers than me.
Why?
'Cause-
I know lots of stuff.
Yeah, because you're so. How do you know about even? How do you know there's a koala? You've never seen one of these coins, koala coins, have you?
Actually,
Before?
I can tell by the face and,
And
the ears.
and every year they bring out a new design of the coin, so then you can.
Where's like lots of these ones.
Because I bought 4 and they just came. When you buy them, see how these ones come in a big tube?
Yeah.
These ones come thing together like that, but they come in one of those capsules already. Where those ones, they don't come in a capsule, do they? They come in this tube. So these ones are good because they come in already in a capsule. Look, so you haven't got to get a capsule for it. You see?
But these ones you do.
Yeah.
Like
So that's why Daddy likes these as well, because
And these
per
ones.
ounce they were virtually the same price each, pretty cheap. So what we saying? Like,
subscribe,
comment.
comment. Bye bye guys. See you next time.